बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद क़ाला रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम इन्नल जसदी का अलैकुल हक़्क़ा your body has right on you. My most honored brother and sister in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today I am talking about how to shine your personality. Make your personality attractive. So, few advice are here. Please listen carefully and share with other people also. Every human being is a unique personality, and every personality has two aspects. One, physical, visible aspect, and other is internal, hidden aspect. So for physical aspect, visible is concerned, we cannot change certain parts of the body. For example, the color, height, face features, we cannot change, but we can maintain and shine them with proper care. Because Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, Innal jasadika alaikal haqqa, your body has rights on you. Body is a horse for ruh, spirit. Horse should be strong, healthy to carry the responsibility of the ruh. Different kind of worships like fasting, hajj, salat, earning halal living for the family can only be performed by sound, healthy body. Because sound body has also sound mind. Only healthy body can serve other people. Proper dress and hairstyle shine the personality. Nobody like sick physical personality. So for second aspect, spiritual is concerned, pure heart and pure mind reflects on your face. If heart is free from arrogance, jealousy, grudge, enmity, then your face will shine and attract other people. Good education and skill will increase your passion. So passion, love and smile will increase your personality free of cost. Smile does not cost anything. Subhanallah. Healthy friendship will improve your personality. Proper walking, standing and sitting style can improve your personality also free of cost. Example, those who walk with bending shoulder inside shows lack of confidence. In the military, they check everything. The dressing should be according to the age, job and event you are attending. Right decision making will shine your personality. Time management will make you successful and will guarantee to improve your personality. Your personality will show that you are who your role model, Your personality will show who is your role model. The best role model over the earth and under the sky is Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Therefore, we keep our body nourishment close to the Sunnah. Of course, it will shine your personality. We should follow the Sunnah life to our best possibility. There is a book, the name 100 Personalities. Do you know that? The author put Rasul Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam at the top excellent personality. So we are so lucky that we got Rasul Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam, our lovely prophet, a best personality in the world since the world came into being. And inshallah, he will remain the best personality until day of judgment. So he should be our model in every walk of life, physical walk of life and spiritual walk of life. Proper leadership will also definitely improve your personality and make you lovable among the other people. Best counseling can help you to increase your personality, and you may become a magnet for the others. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us to improve and make our personality lovable and model for the others. Ameen. Wa ma alayna illa al-balagh. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.